Let's talk about mood disorders. In mood disorder, we are going to talk today about depression. It is the second most prevalent psychiatric disorder, followed by the most common, the phobias. Its prevalence is more common in females as compared to more males. It is more common in single, divorced, separated person as compared to married individuals. And it is the most common psychiatric disorder which contributes to DALY, which is disability adjusted life years, and the most common is the ischemic heart disease overall in whole medicine, which is contributing to decreasing in the life years. Coming to the symptoms can be very common. It can be remembered with the help of mnemonic side caps. From S we stand from sadness is there. The patient mood is overall sad. Persistent sadness is there. Second, from I is interest. There is a loss of interest in day-to-day activities. Dumbness and anhedonia. From G, guilt, worthlessness. The patient is feeling guilty about his all the past activities and present activities. From E, energy. The patient has lack of energy, fatigue. From C, its concentration, cognition is decreased, is unable to focus on his studies. From A, its appetite is usually reduced. In some cases, it can be increased as well. From P is psychomotor retardation. That patient is unable to even wake up from his bed for his day-to-day activities. From S, suicidal thoughts are there. The patient. From E is early morning insomnia. He wakes up 2 hours earlier from the sleep in the morning. And from R is sleep. Sleep is reduced. Latency of REM sleep is reduced. The patient enters into the REM sleep earlier as compared to his normal routine, and he experiences a lot of dreams and he is able to recall them. According to the DSM-5 criteria, out of these 9 symptoms, 5 must be present, and out of these 5, that first two which I told you, sadness and loss of interest, out of these two, one must be present. So this was about the clinical features and the diagnosis. Nowadays, even depression can be associated with psychotic features. There is also a term known as atypical depression, where actually there is a reversal of the biological features. Instead of reduction of appetite, there is increase in appetite, there is increase in sleep, there is increase in weight, and even the mood improves with the positive events. And they also respond well to the SSRIs and the MAO inhibitors. Coming to the etiology is multifactorial. Like the neurotransmitter hypothesis says, like there is a decrease in serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine deficiency. There are many hormonal theories also, like HPA axis overactivity. There is a cortisol hypersecretion. Hypothyroidism also contributes to it. Genetic factors are also there. Even psychological theories given by the psychologist are there. Like the most common is the negative thoughts theory, which includes a triad that patient has a negative view about his own self, his environment, and also about negative views for the future. And there is also learned helplessness theory also, which supports to it. And there are many drugs in drugs which cause depression, like the antihypertensives, steroids, interferons, and barbiturates and benzodiazepines have also contributed to depression like symptoms. Now coming to the treatment. Treatment includes the use of pharmacotherapy, where we use tricyclic antidepressant, but the use of tricyclic antidepressant has decreased over period of time because of lot of side effects. Tricyclic antidepressant includes drugs like amitriptyline, imipramine, amoxapine. Their mechanism of action is that they block the serotonin and norepinephrine transporters, and side effects are from anticholinergic side effects as they block the muscarinic receptors. There is adrenergic side effects also, histaminic side effects, and the cardiac side effects. Coming to the side effects one by one, like they are blocking the muscarinic receptors, resulting in anticholinergic side effects. Like there is dry mouth, constipation, blood pressure, urinary retention. So therefore, we avoid it in BPH patients and also in glaucoma patients. As I told that it has cardiac side effects, so there are chances of arrhythmias, postural hypertension, as it is also blocking the alpha receptors. Coming to the CNS, that there is altered sensorium, sedation can also be seen. There are some signs of endocrine failure also, hyperprolactinemia is seen. Impotence can also be seen in males. And toxicity features are like QRS prolongation is there. And for diet prolongation, we'll use sodium bicarbonate as a treatment. Coming to the next drug, which is SSRI, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. They are the first line drugs used in depression these days. They are also used in generalized anxiety disorders. The examples are fluoxetine, citalopram, sertraline. Their side effects are more GI side effects like nausea, diarrhea, constipation, and sexual side effects are also there, which are the most common, like decreased libido, poor erection, delayed ejaculation. So therefore, it is also used in the treatment of premature ejaculation. The drug of choice for premature ejaculation is dapagliflozin. There are many serious side effects like vivid dreams. Patient has vivid dreams in the night, and hematological side effects are also there. Coming to the next class of drug, which is serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. They block the both serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake. They are used in severe depression. Their examples are venlafaxine, duloxetine. Discontinuation syndrome is also seen with antidepressant on sudden stoppage. Coming to the next class of drug, which is monoamine oxidase inhibitors, which blocks the MAO A and MAO B inhibitors. Coming to the next, it's atypical antidepressant. After the pharmacotherapy, coming to psychotherapy, cognitive behavior therapy is the most common stay. Other somatic treatments includes like the electroconvulsive therapy, transcranial magnetic stimulation, vagal nerve stimulation, phototherapy is also used. So this was all about depression from its etiology, clinical features, diagnosis, treatment. Thank you so much for watching and giving your time.